Phone.com connection, watch before using. If you're considering using Phone.com for your communication needs, you're in the right place. I've done the research and I'm here to give you a straight up honest review. You can find links to the product in the description below if you want to explore further. Phone.com is a cloud-based phone service provider designed to streamline communication for small businesses and freelancers. It offers a range of features that include virtual phone numbers, call forwarding, voicemail, and a user-friendly online interface. The platform is especially useful for those who work remotely, need a professional appearance for their business, or just want a reliable and affordable phone service. The service integrates well with various devices and offers mobile apps for both iOS and Android, ensuring you stay connected no matter where you are. Whether you're taking calls, sending texts, or managing voicemails, everything can be done right from your phone or computer. Phone.com is all about giving you flexibility and control over your communications. One of the biggest selling points of Phone.com is its cost effectiveness. You get all the features of a traditional phone system without the high costs associated with hardware or long-term contracts. It's scalable too, so whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a small team, you can easily adjust your plan as your business grows. I highly recommend Phone.com for businesses looking to improve their communication strategy without breaking the bank. It's straightforward, reliable, and has the tools you need to keep your business running smoothly. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you've tried Phone.com or have any other questions about it. Your support helps others find this useful information, and I'm here to provide you with the best advice possible. Thanks for watching.